What if I told you that while your classmates are complaining about being broke, you could be making $10,000 without dropping out or sacrificing your grades? I'm about to show you the exact strategies that smart students are using right now to build serious income streams while still hitting the books. Look, I get it. You're probably thinking this sounds too good to be true. Maybe you've seen those scammy get-rich-quick schemes promising overnight success. But here's the thing. What I'm sharing today isn't some fantasy. These are real, proven methods that require work, but won't destroy your academic life. Let me start with the most overlooked goldmine on every campus, tutoring, but not the way you think. Instead of charging $20 an hour for one-on-one sessions, create group tutoring programs. Charge each student $15 for a 2-hour session with 8 students. That's $120 for 2 hours of work. Do this 3 times a week across different subjects, and you're looking at over $1,800 per month. The secret sauce? Record these sessions and sell them as study guides to future students for $25 each. One recording can generate hundreds in passive income semester after semester. Now let's talk about freelance writing, specifically academic content creation. Not doing homework for other students, but creating study materials, course summaries, and educational content for legitimate educational websites. Companies like Course Hero and Study Blue pay students to create high-quality study guides and explanations. Here's where most people mess up. They think they need to be experts in everything. Wrong. Pick one subject you're genuinely good at and become the go-to person for that topic. A friend of mine made over $4,000 last semester just creating psychology study guides. But here's something even better. Leverage your student status for social media management. Local businesses love working with students because you understand social media naturally, plus you're affordable. Start by offering to manage Instagram and TikTok accounts for small businesses near campus. The magic number is 15 clients at $200 per month each. That's $3,000 monthly, and you can easily manage this workload during breaks between classes. Most small business owners have no idea how to create engaging content, but you do this stuff for fun anyway. Here's a strategy that blew my mind when I first heard it. Textbook arbitrage. Every semester, students sell their books back for pennies on the dollar. Buy these books cheap, then sell them online for significantly more. The key is timing and knowing which books hold their value. Set up automated alerts for high-demand textbooks on Facebook Marketplace and student selling groups. Buy low at the end of each semester when students are desperate to sell, then resell at the beginning of the next semester when demand peaks. One student I know made over $6,000 in 1 year just flipping textbooks. Now let's get into something that requires zero startup money. Virtual assistants for online entrepreneurs. Busy business owners need help with basic tasks like email management, appointment scheduling, and social media posting. As a student, you can offer these services during your free hours between classes. The beautiful part? You can work from anywhere on campus with just your laptop. Start at $15 per hour and gradually increase your rates as you gain experience. With just 20 hours per week, you're earning $1,200 monthly. But here's the real game changer. Combining multiple streams strategically. Don't just pick one method and hope for the best. Smart students stack 2 or 3 of these approaches. Maybe you tutor on weekdays, flip textbooks year-round, and manage social media accounts on weekends. The compound effect is incredible. Instead of hoping one stream hits $10,000, you're building multiple smaller streams that add up to something significant. Plus, if one stream slows down, you've got backup income flowing. Here's what nobody talks about. The time management aspect. The reason these methods work for students is because they're designed around your existing schedule. You're not trying to build a traditional business that requires 40-hour weeks. You're creating income that fits into the gaps in your academic life. Start with one method that excites you most. Spend 2 weeks getting it up and running. Once it's generating consistent income, add a second stream. Don't overwhelm yourself trying to do everything at once. The students making serious money aren't necessarily the smartest ones. They're the ones who started. While everyone else is making excuses about being too busy with school, you could be building something that changes your financial future. Which strategy resonates with you most? Drop a comment below and let me know what you're planning to try first. And if this opened your eyes to what's possible, make sure to subscribe because I'm constantly sharing new ways to build wealth while you're young.